Welcome back to the Gulf Connoisseur Awards. The Executive Vice Chairman of Infosys, Chris Gopalakrishnan, won the Connoisseur Award for being the most influential person in the information technology sector.
It's a privilege for me to receive this award tonight, along with many other people who are being recognized today. Every one of them a leader in their own field. I want to thank the Connoisseur magazine for this recognition. And of course, this recognition would not have been possible without the success of Infosys, the dedication and commitment and hard work put in by more than 200,000 plus Infosians past and present. I was part of the journey in the last 33 years of course, creating Infosys, but also creating the IT industry in India, which today is responsible for 30 lakh, 3 million plus jobs, responsible for 6 to 7% of India's GDP, 25% of India's exports. It's an industry that's $120 billion, and it's an industry which has created more than 8 lakh jobs here in Bangalore. So it's a industry which has had significant impact in our country, in our state, in Bangalore.
Our next awardee is an acclaimed violinist maestro. L. Subramaniam is the most influential musician at the Connoisseur Awards.
For everything in our field, in culture, the very most important thing is your guru and a guide. Without your guru and a guide, you can't get anywhere. My father was my guru, my mother was a great inspiration, both were musicians. My father, when he was playing the violin was treated as an accompanying instrument, where, in a concert, if you play more than the main artist, you lost your job. You didn't have any more concerts after that. It was a tug of war. So when in that circumstances, he decided to take the violin as a solo instrument and change the whole approach to violin. So we developed a lot of unbelievable techniques, which doesn't exist in any part of the world. That made the change for our Indian violin to reach to all the continents. And whatever he taught me, I practiced and I did it. He's not here to receive the award. I received this on his behalf.
After having grown as a renowned neurosurgeon in India and abroad, Dr. N.K. Venkataramanna bagged the award for being the most influential person in medicine.
When a country is full of natural resources, it is considered a wealthy country. On the other hand, where it's full of human resource, is considered as a problem or a burden. Today, we are in this dilemma. As a neurosurgeon, we have two challenges in this country. One is to prevent the physical brain drain that is happening day in and day out. Every 6 minutes, there is an accident in this country. We are losing precious lives of the most productive young age group of this country every day. And on the other hand, we are pushing accident victims to become disabled for the rest of their life.
The next winner is a unique Indian artist who specializes in creating wonders on canvas in short spans of time. This well-deserved award for the most influential artist goes to B.K.S. Varma.
ಕಲೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಚಾರ್ಟ್, ಅನುಭವಿಸಿ ಬರೆಯೋದೇ ಆರ್ಟ್. ಬದುಕು ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನು ಹಂಚಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಚೈತನ್ಯ ತುಂಬಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಂಥ ಸಂತೋಷ ಕೂಟದಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಅರಿವಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಬಂದ ಈ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ನನಗೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳೋರು, ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆಯಿಂದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡು, ಕೆಲಸ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಜನ ಹುಡುಕೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನೇ ಹುಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರತ್ರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಬಂದ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಾಗದೇ ಬಂದಿರೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರೇಕ್ಷಕರು ಅನುಭವಿಸಿದಾಗ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಂತೋಷವೇ ಕಲಾವಿದರಿಗೆ ಚೈತನ್ಯ ತುಂಬಿದೆ.
This sensational boxer is the recipient of the Arjuna Award and is a former lightweight world champion. The most influential person in sports is none other than Sarita Devi.
मैं लास्ट 14 ईयर से मैं इंडिया टीम से खेल रही हूँ. शादी के बाद बहुत टफ है बॉक्सिंग में आना. तो लड़की के लिए कोई भी काम शादी के बाद कंटिन्यूस करना है तो हस्बैंड का सपोर्ट बहुत ज़रूरी होते हैं. तो मेरा हस्बैंड हमेशा सपोर्ट करते हैं. कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स में मेडल मिला, एशियन गेम्स में मैं गोल्ड मिल नहीं पाया. मैं अभी कंटिन्यूसली बॉक्सिंग कर रही हूँ. मैं अपना देश का एक बार ओलंपिक में गोल्ड लाना चाहती हूँ. तो सभी मेरे लिए प्रेयर कीजिए मैं ओलंपिक में एक बार गोल्ड लाकर अपना देश का नाम रोशन कर सकूँ.
Fondly known as the Crazy Star and the showman of Kannada cinema, our last award for the evening goes to this actor, music and film director and editor, the most influential person in movies, V. Ravichandran.
This makes me very happy, not just because I received the award, it is because I was a part of this awardees and I am with them. This award makes my day wonderful, makes my life beautiful, and makes my future very responsible.
Coming up, the governor and the former CM of Karnataka address the audience as the ceremony draws to a close.
The meaning of Hebron itself is elite alliance. That means that we appreciate real good alliances. We have identified Gulf Consortium as which stands for quality and which is an extremely popular magazine in that part of the country. We thought that we in India, we should start appreciating the luxury. We should start bringing such a magazine and such an award functions in India which is of international quality. We have taken paths in terms of identifying the right kind of people, the so-called leader, the change makers, and obviously at different levels. This is at a higher elite level where the topmost leader, even at small or even at different levels, we are identifying people like that, those 1%, the people who makes a difference. These awards are important because those change makers, the leaders, would like to be appreciated. We as a company, Hebron, would like to see that people are recognized, people are awarded, they are given the respect and salute for the contributions. So that's why we identified people like Gulf Consortium and brought them here to India to actually make it much bigger.